Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I wanted to be creative and I came up with this makeup. I guess I'm feeling pretty green today. I used this shade from Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 eyeshadow palette. It's called Matcha. So yeah, I guess I'm feeling a little bit green today, even though it was a very good day. Anyway, let's jump into this video. If you guys watched my previous videos, you know that this was my birthday makeup and some of you asked me to post the full tutorial, so here we are. The intro didn't fit to this tutorial, so I had to make a few adjustments. That's why it is a little bit awkward. Anyway, so I started with this two brown colors and I kind of created this cat eye shape. Then I went with the mustard yellow, such a beautiful color, and I started to blend out those browns. And then I went with some more browns because I wanted this to be very intense. And then I kind of marked where my cut crease I wanted to be, and I cleaned that with some micellar water, because if you go and apply the base on top of that brown shade, it won't look that clean. And as you can see, I'm going with a green color on top, so I wanted that base to be very, very clean. Then I kind of did another cat eye situation or cut crease, however you want to call this, and I guess I was very creative that day, and I love that for me because I don't get to film as many makeup tutorials lately. I feel like people don't watch them, and that makes me so sad because that's my forte, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, I did a little green at the end. I don't know, I feel like it looks okay. I mean, yeah, it looks okay. And then I went and I applied the same mustard yellow in the center, and I feel like that green makes it look so special. Like, picture this look without the green, it will look pretty basic, but that green, it definitely takes this look to another level. Then I took this tiny little brush and I fill in that white space. I didn't want the two shades together to mix, and then I kind of cleaned a little bit at the end of this makeup, you know, the tail, whatever you want to call it, because it gives that fierce look. And for my face makeup, I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy this cute little song. By the way, I'm completely aware that my face is way too light and it doesn't match my body right now because I have a fake tan, but who cares? It's just makeup, right? Back to the eyes, I took again those two brown shades and I kind of connected my tail or the end of my eye with the bottom lash line, and with the same yellow I blended that out, and I guess that's it. There's no secret. For my lashes, I'm going to list them down below, but I feel like they're from Eylure. Anyway, I over hella lined my upper lip, or my both lips. Anyway, let's be honest here. And then I went with this Huda Beauty lipstick, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys like this makeup look, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. When I run away, gonna take me back. I don't wanna stay. Save your tears, pouring down. This foundation is not matching my tan, but it's okay.